How to solder an XT60 connector the easy way. I've already pre-tinned the connector and my two wires, and I've already put the heat shrink on, which you should remember to do from the beginning, otherwise you can't do it afterwards. And now I'm observing polarity, bring the two parts together, put your heat on with a hot iron. That's the important bit. Make sure your iron's nice and hot. Just keep your heat there for a few seconds. Wait for your solders to go molten, and then remove. And give that a few seconds. First one's done. There you go. Just going to pull that into focus. That's a nice joint. I just flip it over. Same thing. And I've already tinned everything. Just going to pull it into focus. You can see it there, it's pre-tinned. The tinning probably looks a bit messy. It's the same thing. I'm just going to clean up that tip a little bit. And I'm using solder with flux in it already. So that makes it a little bit nicer. Just going to sort out my tinnings, and then place the heat. A few seconds. Wait till it goes molten. Job done. It's really as simple as that. Thank you for watching.